Hi guys! Mabuhay! It's me, your girl, InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hello guys! How are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, we are heading to Silverton Town. Dito pa rin tayo sa Broken Hill, New South Wales, Australia. So guys, are you ready for some day driving tour dito sa Silverton Town? Dito sa New South Wales guys? What are you waiting for? Happy watching!
So that's probably where we cross over up further.
Yeah,
that's a creek bed.
Too big.
Yeah. On that road is the next one. I think there's the jail, there's the hotel. It's very much like a ghost town.
Welcome to Silverton. Silverton is a small historic located near Broken Hill in the far west of New South Wales, Australia. It is known for its rich mining history, artistic community, and its unique outback atmosphere. Now we are heading to the main attraction of Silverton.
Looks slightly different now during the day than it did at like dusk. Lots of building there. Oh, that's the jail back there. That's right. It's School and Education Museum. I'm surprised they kept like all the churches, like everything else, like disintegrated and wasn't upkept, but the churches stayed staying. Catholic Church. It's Sunday too.
Silverton is often described as a ghost town due to its small population and many abandoned buildings that remain from its mining heyday. These historic structures give the town a unique and somewhat eerie atmosphere.
Fascination is with the Volkswagen bugs. I saw that one the other day, and I saw the two here. I don't know if
Maybe that's the legal before.
I don't know if it's connected to the Mad Max theme. Mad Max is like a movie starring Mel Gibson, like set back in the 80s. It was meant to be like a apocalyptic type of thing. I don't think that's fun, which has Tina Turner in it. So that's just a art gallery in the centre of the car there. Mad Max. But Priscilla, Queen of the Desert was also filmed here as well. Oh, there's a wind farm in the background. We're not on today yet either.
It's better pala in the morning
There's like a convoy of cars. Oh, the bakery's open on the left.
Of course.
Last time was closed to be there, so that's like an indie gallery or something. There's a lot of artwork or something for indies. In his yard. bakery.
Despite its small size and remote location, Silverton has attracted artists and creative individuals. Many artists have set up studios and galleries in the town, making it a hub for the arts. The famous Silverton Hotel, with its colorful interior murals, is a popular gathering place for both locals and tourists. Silverton has been a popular filming location for various movies and television series, including Mad Max 2, The Road Warrior. The town's rugged desert surroundings and unique architecture make it an appealing backdrop for filmmakers.
So I think it's pretty much the town. This is where we drove to the other day.
I've never been in Mundi.
No, it's pretty much like the mountain range that's up there. So yeah, this is where we
This is
came
the
up
one
with
you turn here. You turn there. Oh, there's a caravan there.
Yeah, this is where we drove to. And that's where the people were doing the photography.
Silverton is located about 25 kilometers or 15 miles from Broken Hill and can be reached by road. Many visitors to Broken Hill take a short trip to Silverton to explore its unique charm and attractions. Silverton is home to several museums and attractions such as the Silverton Jail Museum, which provide insight into the town's history and its role in the mining industry. The Mad Max Museum, dedicated to the iconic film series, is another interesting spot for movie enthusiasts. Silverton is situated in the Australian outback, providing visitors with the opportunity to experience the rugged desert environment, explore the nearby Mundi Plains, and take in the vast open landscapes of the region.
So guys, we are going back through the town. Everything really fits within a couple of blocks of each other. It's not a huge place really. There's kind of like one main road and there's one sort of street south and then there's a couple of streets north. As the tour guide said the other day, it used to be a lot larger than what it is now. Like a lot of the buildings have fallen apart or it's been demolished when the town obviously shrunk over time. So there's probably 4 art galleries I reckon in town. 1 pub, 1 bakery and a Mad Max museum.
Look at the rum, oh. Jesus.
This might be the... I don't know if it's a jail or not. Oh no, jail's up there. It just looks like municipal chambers.
So you means you cannot go in
Don't think
on
those
the
ones.
outside.
There's another
this is
Silverton
yung
sign there.
maganda yan. You're far away, ah. You're very close.
I don't know if you want a photo of yourself or just of the sign. Probably. No, it's not really a tennis court. This just looks like it's a jail courtyard. Looks like it's part of a jail because it's all enclosed and it's really just a couple of chairs with a basketball court. So there is a jail over here.
Yeah.
But I think it's also a museum as well. So some old buildings there, but this is really pretty much Silverton. I think we just done like our entire stretches there. Seems to be popular with bikies. I'll do one more loop, but this time I'll go turn off the halfway point and might go to the bakery and get a drink. We already had lunch, so we don't need anything else. So I might just still get a drink for, I think it's the halfway road here. And then pretty much we've driven every road of Silverton. So I don't think any of these, like that's meant to be a school, I don't know if any of that's actually used today. Or even the churches, I don't know if they actually have I don't think the population was big enough to warrant actually having a service here.
It's like there's a lot of flies.
Zoom out back. And it's warm.
But Sinan don't have ano.
We have those bugs that burn when they hit the zapper.
Si Mama have a white glasses.
Oh no, she got competition. So we've got another church here, 1885 established. That's Methodist.
Methodist Church.
We have,
InDaynaMo.
this is the other thing with a lot of bikes. So yeah, there's not too many places in town, but I think there were 3 bikies that were just here who don't like using indicators.
There's a lot of people in the Mad Max kasi. A Spider-Man is there. Oh.
And we have a right. I think this is a parking spot. Oh yeah. Oh, my thunders. Pose.
What pose is
So
that?
that's back past the Silverton Hotel. Still some motorbikes there.
Yeah.
And you brum 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 brum.
Yeah, correct. Brum, brum, brum. Oh.
Silverton's combination of history, art, and its outback setting makes it a popular destination for travelers seeking a taste of the outback and a glimpse into the past of a once thriving mining town.
Yeah, I think there was a muddy one to look at, but I don't think it's really much there. And I don't think the views that great either.
That's why oh no, they go to the Silverstone. Oh no, the family. They just hide together. Small, medium, large. Oh no.
This guy's lost as well.
Huh? They're from Queensland. They have a bikies.
Almost doing 20 kilometers an hour.
Yeah. Maybe they looking like that. They just pass and look.
Yeah. Doing rubberneck.
No, it's a giraffe. There's a walking trails. But it looks scary.
It's bloody hot out there. It's annoying having the flies buzz on my face.
Yes, yeah, they will. Why you unopen it?
Because it was my
so high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Silverton Town is a small historic town located near Broken Hill, far west of New South Wales, Australia, guys. So, nakita niyo naman, it is known for its mining history, artistic community, and its unique outback atmosphere, guys. They also have some of the old buildings before. And if you remember, guys, we've been here during Sunset Camel Tour experience. If you haven't yet checked that, guys, I hope you will watch it before you jump on this video. So anyways, we just drive along the Silverton Town dito pa rin sa Silverton, New South Wales, Australia. Nakita niyo naman, guys, the Silverton Hotel, the other old bakery, guys, the museum, which is the Mad Max 2 Museum. And if you are familiar on the movie Mad Max 2 Museum, guys, dito sila finil dito sa Silverton, dito sa New South Wales, Australia. So guys, nakita nyo ang ating footage. Our drone footage also, guys, is included in this video earlier. So anyways, that's the end of our video, guys, sa ating mining history dito sa Silverton town dito sa New South Wales. Is also a ghost town na, guys, and it's very popular during daytime. So walang nakatira doon at night kasi nga ghost town na siya, guys. So common siya sa mga daytime visitor, sa mga tourists and locals, guys. So this is the end of our video for today. I hope you enjoy watching, you learned something today, plus you had fun for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for supporting our videos, and mega love shout out to these wonderful, beautiful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my hypothalamus. Please like if you did enjoy our video for today, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to hit the bell button for you to get notified for our next video, and please comment down below if you like this video pa, and see you when we see you on our next one. Bye bye, guys, be good, you take care, be safe, and mwah! Ciao la!